Hi, good morning. My name is Dung. I'm from Nodka. Okay, sorry, got a little bit higher. My name is Dung from Nodka, a manufacturer in China, and I want to talk with you today about ultra compact controller platform for smart sorting system, but also other manufacturing systems. Here you can see a sneak about that. Yeah. Um, let's start. Before we start, I want to talk about smart logistics. You know, smart logistics not always are combined with technical stuff. That's why I love this video. I found that on LinkedIn. Just to show you, sometimes smart logistics means just to be on point. This is on point for this application. But as we know nowadays, everything is much more chaotic. Many things, many applications that are running, all products has to be produced in one step. Sorters has to run with videos and all that stuff. So talking about matching on point. Matching on point with hardware and software real-time application, workload consolidation, yeah? As we know, manufacturing systems, sorter systems, as case sorters, unisorters, case unisorters, autonomous mobile robots, AMRs. We know them all. They're getting more and more advanced, more difficult, more applications, like incorporate capabilities like graphic user interfaces, getting more difficult, more 3D examples, high performance cameras. We see them here every year, better cameras, and all working with real time and on one workload. This consolidate hardware. That means we are aiming on ultra complex controller platform to provide and support all these functions even on one computer without sacrificing and determining performance. We provide our CPU platform small with 8 to 9 centimeters with a carrier board and can be flexible. As we see all these camera systems here, all my pre-talker said it, very difficult, more advanced applications coming and will need better hardware in cooperation with software, real-time software. To handle this, we have provided this ultra-compact platform to provide, as you can see here, for different applications for on one computer, like PoE to control the camera systems, as we see here, but also Canbo system, AetherCAD system, all on one PC. This will match together with the real-time application and support your applications, your camera system, your advanced sorter systems with that. We have been here at the booth at 8D15 in this hall. We have set up some examples for you. Maybe you can come over and we can talk a little bit deeper about our ultra compact hardware controller systems. So we have a branch in the Netherlands and in Germany as well, an office. So looking forward to have a deeper talk with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.